My name is Eva Leick. I am a researcher and a dancer from Austria, and I'm here at the International Seminar for Young Tibetologists at Oxford University, Wolfson College, to present my academic work on Kaita joyful dances. I became interested in studying Kaita academically because I understood that Kaita is very rich. So we can use the image of a diamond. Kaita has many different facets. So one of them is, of course, the dance part, the Tibetan language part, the singing part. But then also there are many things according to the circumstances. So, for example, we have this international translocal community all around the world that, of course, is very fascinating because we can make friends with people from all around the world without actually having to communicate them. We just meet them and we dance together, and there's already a connection. And yeah, so I have a professional dance background. So when I met Kaita, at first I didn't quite know what to do with it. But then I discovered that there are so many songs and so many dances, and all of them completely different. And I became really fascinated, and I wanted really to find out more about and to study. And the more I studied, the more I understood that I cannot just look at it from the dance part. This is there, but it's also the cultural part, it's also the history, it's also the teachings by Jagannath Konobo, it's also this international community. And so I ended up writing my dissertation at the University of Salzburg on Kaita. And I did a kind of extensive research on the aspect of Tibetanness in Kaita, as well as kind of like the well-being effect. So what are the benefits of practicing Kaita regularly? What have people said? What have they experienced? So I did a lot of interviews also with Kaita dancers, Kaita's experts, and I tried to reconstruct like the very first beginnings of Kaita where I was not there, and then, you know, how this developed, what they have noticed in their body, maybe some changes. And so I tried to put this all together, and I've called it well-being effects. And so one of the two main things that we can say is the aspect of general well-being. So of course with all kinds of dance, we have physical aspects. If you move, you have some benefits, of course. And then also there is this aspect of joy. So Kaita is called joyful dances. So joy is really central. So we connect in this joy. We try to share the space, the music, the group, and to just be relaxed, joyful. It doesn't matter if you do mistakes. I mean, if you don't remember precisely the choreography, it doesn't matter. It's really all about being present, dancing together, and switching also very fast from one dance to the other. So usually in a Kaita session, we would do one song after the other, so you don't really have time to think about anything. So you need to really switch and be very present from one dance to the next and try to find the joy in this. And it's a really interesting experience. And this is something that most Kaita dancers have shared with me, that when they dance Kaita, they feel joy. So yes, so I finished my PhD degree at the University of Salzburg last year in 2023. Yesterday, on the 3rd of September, I presented my paper at the International Seminar for Young Tibetologists here at Oxford University. And I focused on a particular song and dance from the Kaita collection, and I presented it and I tried to outline some general aspects of the Kaita project with this dance, because it's always good if you have one concrete example and then you can look at the bigger picture. So what I tried to do is I outlined a little bit the translocality of the Kaita practice. So to really show that Kaita is not danced in one place, and it also didn't develop in one place, but in fact it developed in several places at the same time and is practiced in several places at the same time due to Jagannath Konobo's global activities. So he would travel around all around the world, and with him, of course, also Kaita developed. So this translocal aspect is very important. And then this aspect of joy that we have in the Kaita dances. I try to show a little bit also how this connects with the lyrics of this song. And yeah. And also how Kaita connects to the teachings of Jegal Namkhai Nobu. So we have many songs that speak about the Dharma, and so the Buddhist teachings. And Jegal Namkhai Nobu, he commented a lot on the songs and the dances, which is really precious resource that we can check. So at first, maybe some lyrics, they don't sound so deep when you read through them at first. But then when you start reading the commentary by Jegal Namkhai Nobu, you really understand the depth of these songs and the deep meaning that is connected there. And interestingly, the meaning is very often connected with the movement. So for example, I started Khaita mostly through dancing, and the singing and the reading of the meaning came later. And it's quite fascinating to discover that some movements that you're doing, some mudras, connect to a quite deep meaning. And then the next level of the practice is to connect everything. So you are not just dancing, you're not just singing, you're not just thinking about the meaning, but actually you're doing everything at the same time while being present with the group, with the formation, with the music, with the space that you are in. So it's many things coming together. It's a very deep practice.